Okay, today the stitch we're going to work on is called the treble crochet. I've worked a few up here so you can see it's a much taller stitch. Here's the double crochet that we've already done. So you can see it's a very different texture and a much taller stitch. This is the stitch you would use for doing granny squares and lots of other projects. So let me show you how it's done. I've worked a chain of about 15 stitches here, and we're going to practice some rows. So we're still working into the foundation row, so we're just going to go through the one side of the V. So to make the treble crochet, you're going to start off a little different. You're going to do a yarn over. You're going to go through the back loop of the V, yarn over, pull it through. Now you've got 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, come through 2 of those. You've got 2 loops. Yarn over again and come through those 2. Now let's try that again. Yarn over, come through one side of the V, pull your yarn through, 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, through 2, yarn over, through 2. And again, yarn over, into your chain, yarn over, pull it through for 3 loops. Yarn over, bring it through 2, yarn over, bring it through 2. And make sure you're getting that last stitch in the row. Yarn over, in we go, yarn over, 3 loops, yarn over through 2, we've got 2 loops left, yarn over through 2, and there we go. So with this one, for the turning chain, we've got to make a chain of 3. 1, 2, 3, and then we turn our work over. This time, instead of working in down here, we're going to come into the next one and we're going to start through there. So this is our first proper row, so we're going to go all the way underneath the V this time. So yarn over, under the V, yarn over, we've got 3 loops, yarn over, through 2, yarn over, through 2, and again, yarn over, under the V, yarn over, 3 loops, yarn over, come through 2 of those, yarn over, come through 2 again, yarn over, under the V, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2. There it's starting to make shape. You can see it's a lot looser and a lot taller of a stitch. Let's do it again. Yarn over, under the V, yarn over, pull through, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2. So we're almost at the end of the row here, and it's very important that we make sure that we're getting that last stitch there. So yarn over, through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over through 2 loops, yarn over through 2 loops. And remembering again that for the treble crochet, that we need to do a turning chain of 3. So 1, 2, 3. And then we turn. And we're starting off in this space right here, not this one. I know it's difficult to remember, but I have a PDF chart that shows you how many turning chains you need according to what stitch you're using and which stitch you start in then. Those can all be found in my Etsy store for a couple of euro for a whole bunch that will give you a little short synopsis of each stitch on a chart. It'll also give you the abbreviations. It will give you the UK, US terminology transferred over. So where this stitch in UK terms is a treble crochet, in US terms it's different. So if you're reading a pattern that's written in US terms, you'll need to know what stitch to use. So you can find all those in my Etsy store. But for now, let's continue on and do another row. So yarn over, in we go in this spot right here. Got 3 loops, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2, yarn over under the V, yarn over, pull through, yarn over through 2 loops, yarn over through 2 loops again. Okay, so there we have a couple of rows worked in the treble crochet. That's 4 rows in treble crochet, and if we put it next to this one, which is 8 rows in double crochet, you can see it's more than double the height when it's worked up. So it works up a lot quicker, but it is a lot looser of a texture. Just depends on the project which stitch you're going to use. Okay.